All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today we're gonna do something a little bit special. I have a client out in California that is looking to purchase an investment property. And what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna do a video home tour for them. And I'm gonna bring you guys along because this is one of the services that we do provide. So I wanted to show you on this channel exactly how we do it. So I am here in the city of Henderson. We do have the 95 right there. Now, what's great about this is that the home here is only $350,000, and it's really hard to find a home at $350,000, especially for an investment property. We got the Galleria Mall just right over here. And this is a pretty large neighborhood here. So this is for more of, you know, investing. And you can't really find anything below the 400 range, especially for a detached house. However, this one popped up, and I think this is a great buy. So we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna analyze it together. As you can see, we got the freeway right here. Now there is a flight path that goes right along, going out that way, because that's where Harry Reid International is. So this is at the end of this little driveway, this little cul-de-sac. Obviously you can hear the dogs. You do have the security system. Looks like there's some patchwork. Well, I don't want to say patchwork. It looks like there was some touch-up paint. But the exterior looks pretty good. You don't have much of a driveway, but again, this is, you know, if you're going to spend $350 on a condo, you're better off buying a detached single-family residence. All right, we got the side gate here as we come in. Got the Ring doorbell. All right, shut that door here. See how quiet it is in here. Good, not bad. All right, so this property right here, the asking price is $350,000. It was built in 2007 and is 1,467 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a loft, and 3 baths. So that's not bad. Now, HOAs are only $78 a month. Now, I think I'm getting a call. Give me just a second. That's actually the client right now. So just to give a quick shout out to Noel, but I'm just gonna do his video home tour for a second here. Let's take a look at the flooring. So this feels like laminate flooring. You can kind of feel it. Baseboards need to be done a little bit as far as repaint. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Let's take a look at the kitchen cabinet. Really in good shape. '42 upper cabinet. We got the original granite sink. Okay. Definitely needs a cleaning. Here's the appliances. Let's take a look at this microwave. So these are the kind of things that we do for our clients. Also, we do the video home tour on like a Facebook too as well. Not a Facebook, but FaceTime. Let's take a look at the garage. Now we do have a hairline crack here. That just shows you where the seals are for the drywall. The garage definitely can be painted. Looks like they got the washer dryer here. You got some cracking right there. Oh, they actually have a water system, filtration system right here. And it looks like they had changed out. You have an instant hot right here, which is really nice. That was installed. All right, so we're gonna come back inside. Please lock the door before leaving, okay? Let's go take a look at the backyard here. Now this is in reverse. Oh, look at this. They added a covered patio. Got a Lennox air conditioning unit. Ooh, look at this. You actually have two of them. That's really good. One for upstairs and one for downstairs. Definitely spent the money on the covered patio. We got some Spalding here. ADT alarm system. Linen closet. Pantry, I'm sorry. Refrigerator goes there. Oh, they also have pre-wire for surround sounds. Definitely could use some painting for sure. Here's the bathroom. The good news is that the flooring, which is one of the most expensive ticket items to do in a house, is already done. It's really in good shape, actually. This is definitely a good rental, that's for sure. So as we come up, we have the bathroom, bedroom, then also the loft. So let's take a look at this loft. Pretty decent size, actually. Looks like we got some cable here for the TV. 9-foot ceilings. Here's your thermostat coming into the primary. You have the same type of flooring up here, cable here. This is just Formica countertops. Really good condition for the age of the home here. Definitely have to paint. Little scuffs here. You got some stuff down here too as well. Get an extra storage space. You got a coax cable here. Definitely, we got to paint, touch up. This has got to be the laundry, drain pan. Not bad. Oops. It's like the tub's never been used. Interesting. I wonder if the owner actually lived here. The counters here are a little bit lower. These are like 32s. Another bedroom. Now this bedroom is like from the front of the house. It looks like we have some, I was gonna say some solar screens, but they're just regular screens. Got ceiling fans. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. All right, let me know what your guys' thoughts are, and I'm gonna send this on out to my client. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.